This is not a normal controller, as you can see. It stays at 11. There it goes 12. What about we press this button? You can see the changes on the indicator. Sure. Actually, this is the 19th floor, which is stated at the 18th floor. Okay. What if we press the first level button? Oh shit. There we go. What the heck is that? Oh shit. Oh, you can see that reset button. This one has been pulled out. There. Trying to pull it out once again. Okay, here it is. You can see the controllers. This is not vandalism. If anyone else, I should go out. Okay, stop at the second floor, which is a lobby level, and go to the first floor. What key is that? Okay, this is actually the first floor. I guess that's it. Okay, this is the 20th floor or the 19th floor, which is the mechanical level. Let's go up there and see what's going on. Hell yeah. Okay, here we go. You can see the sounds of the mechanical room right here. It has the engine for the elevator and of course the exit escaping plan or something. And yeah, the door is locked to the 21st level or the roof. I can't believe it. You can see that this is fucking locked. There you go. You can see nothing much right from here. Okay. That's it. That's it. This is Alex Yukon, and thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram and YouTube and subscribe. Yeah. Thanks for watching.